YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I just want to let you guys know that there's a special deal going on right now, October 28th, 2019. So I'll be including the link that's going to show you within the description, so you could check out these two items. This one is the 70mai jump starter. It has a real 11,100 milliamp power bank, safe and smart design, easy to operate. It is compatible to most of the vehicles. It supports electronics charging for your smartphone, your tablets, your GPS, your GoPro, whatever that uses USB Type A charging adapter. And this one has a 600 amp peak current. It will jumpstart a 3 liters vehicle up to 40 times on a single charge. It is a good item to have when you have an older vehicle. You don't know when the battery is going to die on you. So in case you are stranded in the nighttime, this also comes with the LED flashlight and then strobe light, also a SOS light mode. And it gives you like a short circuit protection, overheated protection, reverse connection protection, reverse charging protection, overcurrent protection, overcharge protection, over voltage protection, over discharge protections. And this one is very easy to carry around and very compact. It also comes with a carrying case. It offers a 5V 2.4 amp Type-C output. Charge your smartphone, tablets, or other electronics. And then the working temperature is negative 20 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. And this will be the second item right here. That is the 70mai dash cam Lite edition. It gives you a 1080p full HD. It has a speed, coordinates, GPS module. It also offers 24 hours parking surveillance monitor. In case during a nighttime people bump into your car while they park, it will record the video. This one has a wide dynamic range technology, which is adjust exposure balance, enable camera to pick up greater details in the darkness and highlights. It also gives you like a 130-degree wide angle, which is allow a larger viewing angle to be recorded, and enables a driver to see 4 lanes of traffic. So it gives you a crystal and clear recording video. And this one has 3 of different color LED. It gives you a green light, which is a record normal, blue light, which is mean first start, and then a red light when it's incorrect recording, or if you don't have a memory card in there. So this one take a class 10 or higher micro SD memory card. It supports 16 gig, 32 gig, and then 64 gigabyte. So if you have an 8 gigabyte of memory card, it is not recommended. And then once you start the car and then this dash cam has power, it automatically start recording instantly. And it also allow you to have a 70mai app support, which is support Apple iOS or Google Android system, and allow you to view and download HD video through the Wi-Fi in real times. Also lock emergency video event files to prevent from overwrite. So this one is a new and latest version, which is it shows the coordinates and then your speed on your videos, and you also show the date and time. So this one has a built-in G sensor, which is will automatic start recording when there is a collision being detected by built-in G sensor. And it will remind you to check the event video when you go to the car. So if you have a parking surveillance that pick up or detect shocks or collision, it will notify you that the parking surveillance was captured. And good thing about this one has a Sony IMX307 Super HD night vision image sensor, so which is going to pick up very clear at nighttime. So anyway, I'm gonna include a link that's gonna show within the description, so you guys could check them out. You know, the Christmas, and then it's on around the corner. If you guys like it and read the description, just go ahead and order it. And before it is too late, once this coupon expired, it's gonna go back to regular price. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Be sure to check out my other video for a review and then an in-depth review about these items. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.